What's up guys, this is Theo here and welcome to CodeCademy Introduction to JavaScript Part 14. So let's go ahead and continue where we left off in Part 1 of the object-oriented programming. So we're going to pick back up on Lesson 16. This keyword, again, you can read about it. Basically this just refers to the scope of the context in which it's in. What that means is so say we have this right here. The age, in this case, is referring to the age inside of this function. So let's reset our code. To show this way of making setAge work, just like the one in exercise 2, use Bob's setAge method to change his age to 50. So we'll do, and what are we doing? Use Bob's setAge method, bob.setAge, and we're going to say change it to 50. Submit that code. Cool. Let's reset this. Make Susan on line 1113, who should initially have an age of 25. So say var Susan equals a new object, and from there, have an age of 25, so Susan.age equal 25, and Susan.setAge is equal to setAge. So basically we just said this is a property on here which is a key, but setAge is already a function. So we're essentially, this is a pointer to that function. Use Susan's setAge method to set her age to 35. Submit our code. Cool. Looks like it works. Finish the method setWidth. It should take a parameter newWidth. Okay, so it's a function. It takes a parameter, and we know this parameter is called newWidth. It will change the property width, so to the given parameter. So we will change this dot width, because this is the width in this object, the rectangle object, to the new width. Use two methods, setHeight and setWidth. So we're going to create two new methods, rectangle dot set, change rectangle's height to say, okay. We're going to do rectangle dot set height and height to 6, and rectangle dot set width. We're going to pass in 8, and we need a L right there. Let's run our code. Cool. Looks like that worked. Let's reset. Add another method called square.calculateArea, which is a function which returns the area of a square in terms of side length. Returns the area of square in terms of side length. So I'm not really sure what the formula is for it, to be honest. Look a lot like calc parameter method, except it should turn this dot side dot length times this dot side dot length. Okay, this dot side length times 2. So let's run that. Method failed. Once side length is 1, we'll return side length. So this dot side length. Looks like you have an error in your code, or if their side length is not defined. Wow, my bad. This. Cool. Let's reset our code. And finish making Bob by defining the age property and setting it equal to 20. So let's do Bob.age and set that equal to 20. Pretty sure I just did. Oh, Bog, not Bob. Cool, let's move on, reset this. Practice using a constructor to make a new person called George. So we'll say var George is a new person. And this is a constructor because on construction we can pass it an argument. There doesn't always have to be an argument, but in this case we can see a person accepts 2 arguments, a name and an age, and these are initially set and declared on passing it right there. So his full name is George Washington, and then his age is going to be 275. Cool, submit that, awesome. Let's reset this and finish the dog constructor. You can include whatever properties you want. Age and name. Function age and name. And and we just want to declare this dot age is equal to age, and this dot name is equal to name. What this says is if someone were to create a new copy of this or a new instance, then they can declare an age, they can declare a name, and these will automatically be set in the class because we built this prototype out. Okay, so let's move that and create a new object called Sally using the person constructor. New person. Her name is Sally Bowles. Okay, and she is 39. Create a new object called Holden. He's a new person. His name is Holden Caulfield, and he's 16. And Sally's species is Sally.species, and she is Sally.age, and plus Holden.age. Cool. Let's reset that code. Define a new method on line 8 called calcParameter. So we say this dot calc perimeter. Perimeter is a function which returns the perimeter for a rectangle in terms of height and width. So again, I'm not sure what that is. So remove the rectangles when referring to a rectangle's property. Be sure to use this dot property dot name. So the perimeter. Use calc area as a guide. Remember the rectangle's perimeter is all four sides added together, or 2 times height plus 2 times width. Turn 2 times this times height plus 2 times this times width. Alright, should do it for us. Cool. Let's reset that. Create a new object called rabbit1. Var rabbit1 equals a new rabbit. And it's going to be Fluffy as the property. And let's create a few more of these rabbits. Rabbit2 is a new rabbit with happy. And third one, rabbit3, the new property of sleepy. Use the method describe myself to print out in the console a sentence about each object you just created. This dot I am, this dot adjective. Let's describe myself. Cool. And let's cooler. Coolest. This dot describe myself. Describe myself. So describe. Describe myself. Oh, rabbit1, rabbit2, rabbit3 dot describe myself, cooler, and let's try that one more time. Cool. Let's move on, reset it, add one more person to the family array, Timmy, who's only 6 years old, so we'll say family3 is a new person. Name is Timmy, 6 years old. Submit that. Cool. Let's reset our code. Write a person constructor called person. Okay, so function person, name and age, and create an empty array called family. Okay, so var family, empty array. Be 4 objects in the array. Using a person constructor, create the 4 objects and put them in the array. Okay, so we'll do family 0 equals family 0 is a new person, Alice 40. I don't want to write this every time. So family 1 is a new person, Bob 42. We'll do family 2 is a new person, Michelle, who is 8, and family 3, new person, Timmy, and Timmy is 6. And create a for loop that loops through the family array and prints out the name property for each family. So say for var I equals 0, I is less than family dot length I plus plus, and we will console dot log family of I dot name, and that should do it for us. Looks like a person constructor is not properly set. The first argument is the person's name. Oh, my bad. Sorry. This dot name equals name. this dot age equals age. We need to actually set them. There we go. And let's reset this code. We've created two examples. Example people, Alice and Billy, complete line 17 by calling age difference and saving the result in our global diff variable. So say age difference, and we can pass in Alice and Billy. And this should work. Cool. To reset our code, define a function called older age. Var older age is a function. We want the function to return the person who is older, say 1 and 2, and we will return, we'll say if 1.age is greater than 2.age, return 1.age, else return 2.age. And that should work for us. Let's reset this code. Make a new object Spencer2 with the same properties but using the constructor notation and the object, but using the constructor notation and the object constructor. Okay, so we'll do var Spencer2 equals a new object, and Spencer2 dot age equals 23, Spencer2 dot country equals United States, and I think we spelled that wrong. Make sure that Spencer and Spencer2 have the same value for age, my bad. 22, there we go. Let's reset that code. Set the global variable species to be Snoopy's species and the variable age to be Snoopy's age. So we'll do Snoopy species, is the bracket notation, and age is Snoopy age. Cool. And let's save and submit our code. Let's reset our code. Line 7, using this constructor to make the Hobbit a book. Spec constructor, I can do this. Do reset code. Use this constructor to make the Hobbit a book with 320 pages. So we'll do make the var the Hobbit equals a new book with J.R.R. Tolkien is the author and 320 pages. For the Hobbit's author by passing it the first argument. Alright, I'm just going to grab this. Sometimes might have like an extra space or something. The Hobbit's author is J.R.R. Tolkien. Notice by using the constructor, you can do this only one line. It says 3, a book with 320 pages. Okay, it's a new book. Pretty sure I just did that. Pages and author. Oh, my bad. Okay, 320. I guess that has to be the first parameter. Awesome. And so define a method perimeter that calculates the perimeter of a circle. Again, I'm too dumb to understand, to remember what a perimeter is, so we'll just look at this. There's a function which of a circle is 2 times pi times the radius, and this will return. We'll do this dot area. We'll do this dot perimeter is a function which is going to return math, or 2 times math dot pi times this dot radius. And cool. So that's it for this one, guys. It's the end of this lesson. The next one up will be building an address book. This project makes use of objects in the context of an address book. So looks like, as far as how many we have left, we now have 1, 2, 3 left in this whole course. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video, or the video series rather. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Always appreciate the feedback, and as always, guys, please subscribe and support the channel. It means a lot. Thanks. Have a great day.